I don't remember ordering.
Mind if I use your restroom? I've been driving all day long. I could really use a little freshening up and, ooh.
Oh.
Are those marshmallows?
Yes, but don't, they're just decorative.
Huh. Well, that's a choice. Zip me. Do you mind? Thank you, darling. Oh, where are my manners? I'm Tennis Pinch. Tennis like tennis. Pinch as in pinch me. I'm dreaming, only you are not. Pleasure to make your acquaintance.
You said there was a delivery. I didn't order anything.
Well, of course, darling. My secret little helper. We sold out years ago, but I always keep a special stock for people who really need it, just like you.
You're the lady from the
Yes,
TV.
just take it.
Take that, scum. Beat you. Excuse me.
Don't leave.
Relax. I'm just going to the washroom. Losers pay. Take that, scum.
Sandy? Sandy, we have to go now. Come on. Sandy.
There's another washroom downstairs. Come, I'll show you.
No, thank you. Sandy, we have to get to the car right now.
Clyde! Where are you going? You can't escape your punishment.
It's been 2 days, and the manhunt continues for pharmaceutical genius Michael Raffner, rumored to be the developer of the highly controversial mTOR inhibitor blinapristone, also known as the Forever Pill. Initially developed to stop the spread of cancer cells, the drug has side effects that pause aging and death to the body from any and all natural causes, including illness, effectively making death voluntary. Anyone with information is asked to come forward to the police. Do not approach him. He is believed to be potentially armed and dangerous. Breathe, Mr. Raffner.
You're that reporter.
I'm the balance around you. I'm the reason your tongue is pressed against your grinding teeth. She's a clever girl. Too bad they didn't make it down the sink. I can't figure out why you people are so afraid of death. Whoa.